how to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. So here's how we do it for Android users. Google Play credits. On Android, you earn Google Play credits by completing surveys. Unfortunately though, these credits cannot be withdrawn as cash. They can only be used to purchase content in the Google Play Store, such as apps, games, movies, books. There is no direct way to convert Google Play credits into cash or transfer them to a bank account. However, for iOS users, you can get a PayPal payment. So on iOS, these rewards are paid out in cash via your PayPal account, which means you can withdraw the money to your bank account, and here's how the process works. First, you have to link your PayPal to Google Opinion Rewards. When you first set up the app, you will be asked to link your PayPal account. If you haven't done so, go to the app settings and link your PayPal. Automatic transfers once you reach the minimum payout threshold, which should be around $2. Your earnings will automatically be transferred to your PayPal account. Withdrawing money from your PayPal account is straightforward. You just open up the app or go to the website, you log into your account, and then you select withdraw funds or transfer to bank and choose the bank account you want to transfer the money to and confirm the transfer. I hope this answers your questions. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.